Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the umbrella buff in Heartopia and what it actually does. So, if you are still confused about this feature, here's this guide. Okay, first wait until rainy weather appears in the game, and at this rain weather like this, you can find the NPC stories that sell these special umbrella items. Her location is at the art street over here. Just go to this area and then just go meet her, this one. Talk to her like this and then just tap on the fortune store, and then in here just purchase the umbrella that the NPC sell. Then after buying it, just open your inventory or dress up menu, this one, and then next just choose the umbrella that you want. For example, I want to choose this one, and then just tap on save like this. And then now here's the important part. This umbrella is not just for decorations or cosmetic. Once you equip it like this and stand close to your friends, the buff will be automatically activated. Like this, you can see it. Once you stand close to your friends or other players, the buff will be automatically active like this. You will see a message showing that the umbrella buff is active, and it will restore 1 energy every 5 seconds for 1 minute like this. So just standing closer to your friends or another players and you will get this umbrella buff. And okay, that's basically how to use the umbrella buff in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!